Hi, Zach Pater here, River Valley Marina, River Valley Power and Sport of Red Wing. We are here for our post-boat show open house at our south showroom. It is cold out. I think we should go inside and take a look at what we have for you. Alright, it is 0 outside, but it's 70 degrees and sunny inside the showroom. Welcome to the south showroom, where we really have focused on some beautiful Monterey boats. We are standing right now on the all-new 2019 378. This here is definitely a must-see boat if you come down this weekend. It is beautiful and loaded with features, but let's take a look at some of the others. Alright, a couple other really cool boats to take a look at. The all-new 298 from Monterey, a big, beautiful open bow, and the twin to that in the outboard version, the 305. Absolute showstopper. Those twin outboards are pretty phenomenal. Alright, we're all about show-stopping boats here at River Valley Marina, and this is definitely one of those boats. This is the new 385 from Monterey. Triple outboards with joystick docking, but the inside is loaded with features. Air, heat, generator, this beautiful Sure Shade, the hardtop. It is amazing. It's on display. Come on down and check it out this weekend. So along with those big, beautiful boats that we have, some of our more popular Monterey models inside. The 218 SS, by far one of our #1 selling Monterey boats, along with the 258 Monterey. This is an absolute muscle craft for the water. It is full of style, it's full of design, full of features, definitely a couple of must-see boats. So along with the beautiful Monterey display, I didn't want to forget, we are a Blackfin dealer as well. On display in the showroom, a beautiful 212 Blackfin center console. If you're looking for an elite center console boat, this is definitely a must-see. 300 horse Mercury, an absolute showstopper in that center console area. So along with our beautiful Monterey display, our Blackfin 212 center console, we can't forget about Yamaha, the #1 selling boat in America from 19 to 24 feet, and we have some beauties on display, including the 212 Limited, one of our last 2018s, and the 242X, which is the biggest, baddest, and greatest from Yamaha. Two beautiful boats. We also carry a nice display of 19-foot boats. Let's go take a look at them as well. So the beautiful 21 and 24 out in that showroom, I had to move inside some beautiful 19-foot Yamaha boats. This here, the AR-195, a very popular 19-foot boat in its category. Behind me, the SX-195, and we also have the center console FSH Sport inside as well. Three great 19-foot Yamaha models, definitely must-see boats. Alright, we also don't want to forget about our beautiful, beautiful brokerage and pre-owned boats. We have a whole wall of them here for you to look at. Absolutely beautiful boats. We don't want you to forget about them as well. But this weekend, post-boat show open house here at River Valley Marina, River Valley Power and Sport, our south showroom, ready for you to look at some boats in the warm. I appreciate you looking at this video. Again, I'm Zach Pater, River Valley Marina, River Valley Power and Sport of Red Wing.